What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Ed, and today I will be fixing this dent here. Whoop, let's see it. What? Yep. Using only PDR technique, paintless dent repair. Let's check this out. As you can see, this dent on Audi doors has like multiple shots all connected. Has some lines going here, another dent here, and if you look at it from the right angle, you can also see that the body line right here is affected from the impact. So we're going to be pushing this out. I'm going to be starting with a soft tip. If I can get this thing on, if I can get my soft tip underneath the dent, going here through the window, opening, pushing it out. With this one, I only got excess the bottom part of the dent, so I'm gonna need to use something like this because there is a brace in the way, and this can hook right underneath the brace and push. Probably it's gonna be a little bit awkward because it's so short. Like I would need a longer one, but let's go and try it out. After a lot of really awkward pushing with this rod, I mean, the way that rod is bent upwards and back, and how short the rod is, it makes it really hard to push. And I needed that because till here is basically all this is under a brace. So I needed a tool that I can get under a brace, and this rod was the right choice. Got me there. I wish it would be a little longer. I'm sure it exists, but I don't have every tool there is in the world. But I got it to a point where it's flat. Now all it needs is some sanding and buffing, and then we can get this thing out of here. Let's check it out how it is now, and then I'm going to show you the after sanding and polishing as well. all fun on this one is done. Before you go, if you're a Dent guy, please let me know down in the comments what was the most awkward excess dent you fixed. This was one of the awkward ones for me, not probably the most awkward, but it was not really nice access to get to it. Make sure you also click the like and the subscribe button before you go. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.